several hours. Then you head over to Hobbs, New Mexico. We're coming in at 4-mile visibility. Some locations is in Seminole, Plainview, still a little on the high side at 10, and then you head over to Snyder. We are at 5 miles. So the visibilities will continue to decrease as we head further into the evening hours. So please use extreme caution while driving, because you're not going to be able to see too much in front of you. And on top of that, you're still dealing with the drizzle and obviously the flooding that we have observed today. Some locations got up to 4 inches of rain. And as far as the rainfall is concerned, you'll notice it is beginning to die out, especially in the central areas, pushing further into the rolling plains. It's going to continue to just push off towards the east. And before you know it, we will be clear when it comes to drizzle and rainfall, but we will be dealing with the fog and obviously the clouds. They're sticking around. Temperatures, they're sticking around too. We continue to lower. Right now we're coming in 47 degrees in Dimmitt, as well as over in Freona, 50 in Amherst, 51 in the Hub, pushing further off towards the east. Those numbers are in the low 50s. But what does it feel like? What do you need to dress for if you're headed out to a football game? Well, number one, make sure you have something water resistant. You may even want to bring a blanket to wipe off the bottom of the bleachers, and obviously too, you want to cuddle with one, because temperatures, thanks to these winds coming in 15 to 20 miles per hour strictly out of the north, it feels extremely cold. We're feeling as if we're at 40 degrees in Dimmitt, 40 in Freona, and this has went up actually over the past few minutes because we were feeling as if we are in the 30s. Feels like we're at 51 degrees in the Hub City, and then you push over to the rolling plains where we do feel as if we are in the mid-50s. But remember, the sun is going to set, what little sun we did see today, but still, we did have a little heating going through the clouds. All of that's going to go away, but the winds stick around with us, and these temperatures are going to continue to decrease. Now, this, of course, was anticipated. We've been talking about this major cold front for days. It started up in Canada, then we had snow towards the north, and now it continues to drift its way down towards the South Plains. Now, if you are going to be going possibly to travel a little bit over to Dallas, and it looks like it's going to be nice, 65 degrees right now, we're going to continue to decrease those temperatures as the cold front pushes down. So make sure you are packing a jacket and prepared to get on the cold side. Now, as far as the rain is concerned, those isolated showers will continue to push further off towards the east. Clouds stick away. Fog will be pushed into place. And the rainfall for tomorrow, it's going to be in the early morning hours, and it's just really going to be drizzle staying down towards the southern portion of the viewing area. But remember, fog's a major problem. By tomorrow afternoon, things will finally begin to warm up, but we're still not going to be seeing too much of the sunshine, especially in the central and southern areas of the region. But we will be seeing that sunshine as we push further into Sunday. We will get some breaks in those clouds, but definitely not a full sunny day for anyone across the South Plains. Tomorrow morning, brace yourself. 45 degrees for the low in the central areas. If you're up to the north and western zones, temperatures will be in the 30s. Everyone will be feeling as if we are in the upper 30s and possibly even mid-30s if you are to the north and west. We're going to be dealing with those showers down towards the south, mostly cloudy skies throughout the entire day, and we will have that cool easterly wind being pushed in the area, so we know moisture is still present. We're just not really going to be seeing in the way of rainfall, only in the way of fog. Sunday, the clouds continue, but temperatures go up 80 degrees for your high. We head further into Monday and Tuesday, where we are looking to see an isolated chance of showers and thunderstorms Monday evening and then Tuesday early morning. Temperatures continue to increase going further into our Thursday, 87 degrees. But game day tomorrow, big concern. Everyone's like, okay, you know, we're going to be driving in, from Tahoka, or you're driving in from La Mesa. Is it worth the drive? Are we going to be dry? Well, you will be dry, but we're going to be dealing with the fog, so if you're leaving early in the morning, please drive with extreme caution, because we will be seeing quite a bit of a low visibility, and on top of that, it's going to be a little chilly.
It's going to be a little chilly,
but
and
it's football season.
It's the perfect weather for it. Fall weather, football weather. I mean, it's great. It's going to be a blackout game, so that's going to be very exciting. You could be dealing with just triple digits at 2:30.
I mean, would that be
game,
fun?
so
no, that's not football weather.
This will be way better.
This is definitely time for a football game.
Absolutely. Thanks, NIkki Dee. Coming up, how one teenager is making a name for herself from the soccer field to the football field. We'll have that story coming up next.